Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you this amazing product assembly effect that is currently trending on Instagram in the trading niche. And the best part, we're going to make it using completely free AI tools. So let's get started. Step 1. Get your topic. First, drop a comment below. You'll find a topic generation prompt in the comment section. Copy that prompt and paste it into Claude AI. Then click generate. In about 3 to 4 minutes, Claude will generate multiple topic ideas for you. You can select any topic you like from the list. Step 2. Generate more topics. Want more options? Simply type more in the search field and click generate again. It will give you 10 additional topic ideas instantly. For this tutorial, I am going with headphones, and which is the third topic on the list. After waiting a few moments, your topic content will be fully generated. Claude will provide you with 2 image prompts, 1 video prompt. Step 3. Generate images in Whisk AI. Copy the first image prompt from Claude. Now open Google and search for Whisk AI. Click the first link to open it. Log in using your Gmail account. Once logged in, you'll see the Whisk AI dashboard. Click New Project. Then click Get Started. Now on the bottom left, click on the video option. Then select Image Mode. Choose 16:9 ratio. Set it to 3x. Select Nano Banana Pro. Now paste your first image prompt here and click Generate. 3 images will start generating. Wait a few moments and your images will be ready. Add image to prompt. Select one image you like, then long press on it. Click Add to prompt. This adds it as a style reference, so your next image generates in the same style. Now go back to Claude, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Whisk AI and click Generate again. Your second image will be ready shortly. Generate the final video. Now for the main part and generating the assembly effect video, long press on the first image, then click Add to prompt. Long press on the second image, click Add to prompt. Go to Claude and copy the video prompt. Then paste it into Whisk AI. Now configure the settings. Click Nano Banana Pro. Select video mode. Choose 16:9 ratio. Click on VO 3.1 fast arrow switch to Omni Flash. Click Generate. STEP6. Download your video. Wait a few minutes and your video will be completely ready. Let's check how it turned out, and it looks amazing. To download, click the yellow /arrow button and save it to your device. And that's it, folks. You've successfully created a trending product assembly effect video using 100% free AI tools. If you also want to learn how to build your own education channel, click on the video showing on your screen right now, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.